Hi, my name is Alpina Manning, and today I want to show you how to make an S clasp with wire. To make this clasp, you will need 2.5 inches or 6 centimeters of 16 gauge round dead soft wire. So I have 2.5 inch or 6 centimeters of 16 gauge. You may use 18 gauge wire as well. Round wire. So make round nose pliers and make a little loop on each end of your wire piece. The loop has to look like a P letter. Make another loop on another side in opposite direction. So if one loop is facing down, like here, another loop will face up. So you have to have something looks like camera is out of focus. Okay, then I will use the thickest part of my round nose pliers. So you hold your pliers as close as possible to your loop. I don't know if you can see it like this. Out of focus, my goodness. Okay, the little loop is facing down, so my wire will go over the upper jaw like this. Watch me, and bend until your wire is touching the little loop like this, and repeat this step from another side. Okay, my loop is facing down. I'll go over okay. I may want probably fix this one. So I have S clasp, but it's not done yet. Put bench block and a chasing hammer, and I will hammer my clasp. Watch your fingers. Hammering hardens the wire. That's all we need. It's very important for the clasp to be strong and secure. Okay, and you can try to open it. You will feel that the wire is hard. Okay, your S clasp is ready. Thank you for watching.